Can I also put some around the outside as well?
Yeah. Swiss cheese.
Okay, so what we've done to this one to get it where we are now, we're all finished, but effectively we changed the coil because the resistance on the coil was it was an original one, so we was running about 3.7 ohms. This one's now down at 2.5, so still running a non-ballast system, but very much more power than we had originally. The distributor was fine apart from the vacuum unit, which unfortunately was split, so I fitted a new vacuum unit. The leads were okay, and then I'll turn my attention to the carburetor. This has got a HIF38 carb to go together with the mods. It's worth saying at this point this engine has a 12G 940 head on a 998 block. So what we've had to do here is drill the airbox to get much more increased airflow, as you can see. So that's not only drilled on the outside, it's also drilled underneath as well to really maximise the airflow through that air filter. And then we've changed the needle, and then I've had to do some extensive modifications to the needle to get that to fuel right. And it's not perfect, and I think there's a bit of wear in the carburetor, but we are very much in the right ballpark now. So let's send Matt out in it and see what he thinks.
Thanks so much.